It is great to have you back here at Coin Lady channel. Dear everyone, one of the most crucial weeks begins today. We have a Monday when the markets reopen and a Friday when the weekend begins. Because of the insanely catastrophic event involving Iran's attack on Israel, the cryptocurrency market experienced a mini crash. As a result, market makers are dumping as much Bitcoin as they can before injecting significant liquidity back into the market, which means that over $1.2 billion worth of Bitcoin has been liquidated in the past 24 hours. This means that the instigators of the war deliberately plotted and timed the attack. They arranged its rollout for Friday after the market closed, ensuring that it would only affect the cryptocurrency market and not the stock exchanges. The timing couldn't be more perfect, according to the 1%. A staggering $1.2 billion was lost by numerous individuals. But we must invest while the Fed is at its peak. Thus we haven't counted the market capitalization of coins since 2022. On April 18th, we will have a 2-year delta. I think the crypto market storm has passed. And now we are seeing a rainbow arrive in the form of a pumping of cryptocurrencies, bringing XRP back above 50 cents. $150 gaming crypto salon, Bitcoin trading at $66,000. We are seeing a 1% increase in Israeli stock prices in early trading, and it is encouraging to see Armenian currencies regaining value as well. The stock market appears to be holding its own despite the recent developments, but an attack on Iran by Israel is possible within the next 2 days. Therefore, if that occurs at this same moment, cryptos could dump it further lower on the markets. The SPYs are doing well so far. Bitcoin and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are making their debut in Hong Kong today, making a break from Ash Crypto. Incredibly, despite Bitcoin's recent decline from its all-time high, over $25 billion poured into the cryptocurrency and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, first thing Monday morning. It remains firmly in place. We could expect to see cryptos Bitcoin either range, or Bitcoin rise to new all-time highs so long as Bitcoins remain above that strong level of support, which is out around the $61,000 mark. I still think we'll see one more upswing before the big crash. We received this from Anonymous, and it's fantastic that more money is coming in now. As we discussed in the previous video, there is a lot happening this week, which is why it is also a big week. Typically, after they come in half, you can profit from writing this Bitcoin pump until the reverse repo becomes zero around Q2 of 2024. Bitcoin and cryptos are expected to experience a meteoric rise, according to historical evidence. The story of Bitcoin ETFs is also becoming more popular. If the largest money printing operation ever restarted, which is happening right now, anything, will happen, and then everything will become a terrifying event. After the incident, World War III is approaching, thus it might be what they're referring about. The markets will skyrocket even farther following this occurrence, because the government will print more money. After hyperinflation hit, the economy collapsed. We also have this from May 11, 2022, for Mr. Poole. By the way, this is BG123. The recycler is here with us, but if we want to reset the globe to 511 in 2022, we have to use the SEC. Is it realistic to expect this big event to take place? Likely on the 11th of May. Everything came tumbling down as the cryptocurrency stock market crashed. We may witness the crash somewhere in the second quarter, which spans from now to July, following the launch of the largest money printing operation ever. Cryptos could experience a surge up to May if Mr. Powell's tweets are to be believed. May is next month. Then, in the Black Swan event, we witness a catastrophic crash, after which they inject even more money, resume the operation, and then everything goes haywire as they produce money at the moon, leading to hyperinflation, and a flood of it into the market. Thus, it is possible that May will mark the official start of World War III. It will be fascinating to watch what occurs, though. In the end, though, the strategy is to delay writing the second wave of profits until 2026, when the markets go parabolic, because to black swan occurrences, the 5,060–80% crash, and riding cryptocurrencies, we will be implementing that strategy. Well, that concludes our video. Like and subscribe as usual, and feel free to leave a comment with your opinions. Muchas gracias, depart.